Hello. So we have this function on the board to be solved for the math question, but it's a product rule. But we're going to be looking at another dimension of product rule. Okay, I have three questions on the board. I'm going to be solving the first and the second. You solve the third one after today's teaching. Okay, let's see. So find the derivative of f of x is equal to s squared sine x. 2. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2, open bracket, s squared minus 5, close bracket. Then 3. F of x is equal to 2x squared plus 1, open bracket, s cubed minus 2s, then close bracket. So solution, let's start with number 1. So given f of x is equal to x squared sine x. Okay, now let me quickly do a brief introduction on this kind of question. Now, if you have a product, function of a product, this is what you should do. Supposing we have a function of x is equal to u x and then vx. Okay, if you have something like this, okay, now it means that ux and where ux and vx are all function of what? X. Now if you want to differentiate this with respect to x, we will be having this it's going to be like this. You have this, okay, close bracket, vx. Sorry, I have to wipe the other parts. The space will not be enough. I was thinking of managing the board, but it's better we are clear. So it's going to be this, and then plus. You do this first. And you have this vx. Okay. Now you differentiate the first one here, and then you differentiate the second one here. This is the formula we are going to be using. Okay, so it means you are going, whatever question you are given that has to do with product rule, you must identify ux in whatever you are given, identify vx in whatever you are given, then find u prime I, that's differentiating with respect to x, that's differentiating u with respect to x, that's u prime. Then you find this, differentiating v with respect to x. Once you are done with this, you use this formula. That's this, which is this, times vx. That's this times this. Then the next one will be this times this. Can you see? So the first one you are going to be multiplying. U prime. Sorry, u prime times what? V. This, and then the other side. This is going to be this. Can you see? Okay, so you are going to multiply, you differentiate this one and keep this one, plus you will keep this one and differentiate the second one. Usually teachers use u dv dx plus v du dx. I don't know if you still remember that song. It's like a song. V du dx plus u dv dx. But I feel this method is easier. Like, you have this formula, you are differentiating the first, you keep the second, then plus you are keeping the first, you are differentiating the second. So let's apply this so that we can keep to time. Applying this to this, let's identify ux from this product we have. So ux is going to be this first one, the second one will be what? Vx. So we have ux to be what? U squared. Can you say this? Then our vx is going to be what? Sine of what? Sine of x. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, now let's differentiate this. So differentiating this, remember that product rule, we multiply by the exponent and decrease the exponent by 1. So we have 2x. That's 2 minus 1 will give us 2x. By now we should have mastered this. So differentiating this one, okay, differentiating sine x with respect to x gives us cos what? X. Okay, now we are going to be doing the rule now. So differentiating this, you still remember, you can do this again. You can do this again. Okay, you just write this out. Ux Vx plus Ux Vx, right? Just do this again. Just write it. Now, put prime on the first one here. Put prime on the second on this side. Now, let's substitute what we have. Okay, so we have this. What is our u prime x? This is our u prime. Anyone you use, stick it so that you don't repeat. So we have what? 2x. What is vx? Vx is sine what? I mean, sorry, it's multiplication times. We have what? Sine what? Of x. Then plus, what u? We have used this. What is our ux? This is it. S squared times v prime is, we have used this too. V prime is this, right? Cos what? Cos what? X. So we have f1 prime, we simplify. This is equal to what? 2x sine x plus what? X squared cos what? Cos x. So this is the differentiation of x squared sine x with respect to x. With respect to x. So this is the simplified version. This is the first derivative of what we have just done. Okay, now let's do number 2. Let's do number 2. Let's do number 2. So number 2, f of x is equal to what? 3x plus 2, then s squared minus 5. Let's bring out ux. What is our ux? Ux is a function of fx. Ux, this is ux. This will be our ux. This will be our what? Vx. So ux is equal to 3x plus 2. And then Vx is equal to what? X squared minus 5, right? So we have u prime. Differentiating this with respect to x, we have what? You know the rule again. 1 times this will give us 3 what? X. 1 minus 1. This would be simply 3. Differentiation of a constant is 0. So it's 0. So we have differentiating this with this. We have 2x raised to power 1, which is the same thing as just x. This is a constant, so it will what? It will go. Now let's copy down this formula now. Okay, so it will be what? Ux Vx plus what? Ux. Always do it this way. Then Vx. Differentiate. This is u, please. This is u, right? Differentiate the first one here. Differentiate the second one here. Okay, are you saying this? Now let's substitute. So if we substitute, u prime x is what? What is our u prime x? Our u prime x is what? U prime x is what? 3. Please tick if you have used it. Then Vx, what is Vx? What's Vx? Vx is this, right? Is what? Times what? X squared minus 5, right? Times x squared. So we have plus. We have used it. Then ux is what? Is 3x plus what? 2. Let's put it in bracket. Then times, we have used this. Then with this, we have 2x, right? Can you see what I'm doing? Now let's open the bracket. So we have this times this, we have 3x squared. 3 times this, we have minus what? 15, right? Then plus what? 3x squared times this will give us what? 6x squared. Then this times this will give us what? Plus what? 4x, right? 4x, right? Now let's find like terms. Let's collect like terms. This plus this is a plus this, we have what? 9x squared. Then what next? Then we have this one. It's on its own, just x. So we have what? Plus 4x. Okay. Then we have this one. This one is going to be what? Minus 15. Okay. And this is what? The first derivative of the function of x, 3x plus 2, open bracket, x squared minus 5. I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm Steve Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.